Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking chicken breasts, peppers and fried potatoes. So let's begin. Well, what I'm going to do first of all is these two chicken breasts. I have patted them as dry as I could. Don't want any water. So what I'm going to do is cut them into bite-sized pieces because I'm going to stir fry them. I'm going to be, excuse me. Okay, I'm going to be stir frying them on high, so I want them to cook well. They're throwing fireworks out here today. You can hear them. I don't know if you just heard that bang. So as you can see, bite-sized bits. Wow, this is like cutting through butter. Wow. Oops. Overconfidence there. Right, and the next one, I'll do this really quick. Okay, so that's the chicken cut up. So let's give this board a clean, quick wipe. Okay, I'm going to peel the parsley up. Got the parsley. My mind's somewhere else today. The garlic. My mind is on this camera that I've seen to record these videos. A better camera than the ones that I have, because I'm using the mobile, well, 3 mobiles to be precise. These I'm going to cut them into nice chunky bits. Well, my phones that I'm using, they're aging a bit now. You've probably seen with my recording sometimes that I miss a few bits, you know, and it's a nightmare later to edit. Okay, so this garlic, I'll put it there with the chicken. And now I'm going to get about half, more or less, of each pepper. Got some nice seeds here from the red, yellow and green peppers. So I'll be saving them. Got myself a little pill box. I'm keeping all my seeds so that in January I can start getting them ready to germinate and stuff, so that I can plant them. Look at that. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay then, so I'll just clear this board out a little bit. And I'm going to cut the peppers also. I'm going to cut them into sort of like that, bite-sized pieces also. And they'll go in with the chicken too. Right, nice and colourful, isn't it? Oh, nearly forgot the parsley also. So that's thickly chopped, and that will also go in there. Okay, let's give this a wipe. Okay then, so to this I'll add approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to put some salt and I'll add a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. I can't fit a tablespoon there, so I'm doing it this way, 2 of these roughly. Yeah. So another firework going on, and another one. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my plastic glove from the petrol station. I'm just going to move all this about, mix it all in nicely. Should have got a bigger bowl, shouldn't I? Well, too late now really, doesn't matter. So I'll mix this about as best as I can. Make some kebabs out of this, couldn't we? Put some onion, would be nice. I should have put some onion in this. Well, maybe next time. Okay, so that's nicely mixed in there. So what I'll do is just leave it to one side. You can do this the night before and leave it overnight in the fridge. That will be extra nice. But I'm doing it this way today. So let's leave this to one side. Look at that. Yummy. And carry on. So what I'll do now is peel the potatoes and cube them up. Okay, so potatoes are peeled. So I'm going to cube these into small cubes. Bite-sized cubes also. This recipe is similar to one that I did a few weeks back, but it was with pork. It was Galician style. So this is how, small cubes. It was a Galician style pork, which was also stir fried. I'll leave a link in the description below, and also there will be at the end of the video. So let's get on chopping these spuds. Well, that's finally done. I think I'll have to fry these potatoes in 2 lots. I'm not sure. I'll give them a wash, dry them up, and salute. Okay, so I'm gonna swap places over. I've got a nice clean kitchen today. My darling wife spent 3 hours this morning cleaning everything. It's just sparkling clean, everything. It's a shame that, I feel bad because now I'm going to dirty it up. Okay, I'm going to heat this up, heat the oil up so that I can fry these potatoes. I'm going to chuck them all in at the same time. So make sure that's nice and hot, and I'll be back. What I'll do, whoa, look, it's not hot. Let's chuck a couple in, 3, and that way I'll know when it's hot, the oil. Okay, it's time to chuck the potatoes in. Hopefully I won't get splashed too much today. I usually burn something. Not too bad. Oh, yes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, we'll fry these off until they're golden brown. See you in a minute. Okay then. The potatoes, nicely done. So what I'm going to do is grab my dish, paper towels, put the potatoes on here, sprinkle some salt, give them a shake, take this away and put them in the oven, which is at 100 degrees, so that they keep warm while we get on with the interesting part of the recipe. Frying potatoes is boring, nearly as boring as watching paint dry, don't you think? Okay, so let's get to the best part of the recipe, because watching me fry potatoes, I've probably bored your pants off, haven't I? So this pan, my trusty pan, I'm going to turn the heat on high as it'll go. I'm not going to add anything to it, just want to make sure it's nice and hot so that I can put this in. Cool, that looks good. Even smells good. Could nearly eat it as it is. Okay, so the pan seems nice and hot, so what I'm going to do is add the good stuff to it. Oh yes, it is hot. So I'll stir fry this, turning it over every now and then. It does look good, doesn't it? Okay, so let's turn it around. Smelling gorgeous. You can really smell the paprika. It's beautiful. Okay then. So after roughly 10 minutes, everything is nice and brown. You could just eat it like this if you wanted to, but I want to get the chicken drunk, so I'll pour a nice glass of white wine over it. Listen to that sizzle. And I'll let it boil there for about 5 minutes so that the alcohol evaporates. No lid needed today. And by the way, it's still on full heat on number 9, just to let you know. So this is ready now, as you can see, looking lovely, smelling great. So what we'll do is now serve it onto the bed of fried potatoes. Well, here we go. Wait, that just fell out. Oops. Wait. Okay then. So, here is today's delicious recipe. Chicken breasts, peppers and fried potatoes. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video, and I look forward to doing my next one for you. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.